Closing the loop, the process of recycling used aluminum cans into new aluminum cans. Introduction. Aluminum cans are an everyday sight, used for a variety of beverages. What many people may not realize is that these cans have a remarkable life cycle, which includes recycling them into new cans. This not only conserves valuable resources but also reduces energy consumption. In this article, we'll explore the journey of how used aluminum cans are recycled into new ones, contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly world. Collection and sorting. Collection. The process begins with the collection of used aluminum cans. Consumers, recycling centers, and waste management companies all play a role in gathering these cans. Often, dedicated recycling bins are placed in communities to encourage proper disposal. Sorting. The collected cans are then transported to recycling facilities, where they undergo sorting. During this stage, the cans are separated from other recyclables, like paper and plastic. Cleaning and shredding. Cleaning. To ensure that the cans are free of contaminants, they are thoroughly cleaned. Any remaining liquid or impurities are removed in this step. Shredding. The cleaned cans are then shredded into small pieces, typically referred to as chips or flakes. These small bits are the raw material for the next stages. Melting and purification. Melting. The aluminum chips are heated in a furnace, melting the metal into a liquid state. Aluminum has a relatively low melting point, which makes this step energy efficient. Purification. To remove any remaining impurities, the molten aluminum undergoes a purification process. This ensures that the recycled aluminum maintains the quality required for producing new cans. Casting and rolling. Casting. The purified aluminum is poured into molds, forming ingots or rolling slabs. These shapes allow for easy transport and further processing. Rolling. The ingots or slabs are then rolled into thin sheets, which will serve as the basis for manufacturing new cans. Rolling not only reduces the thickness but also aligns the crystal structure of the metal, increasing its strength. Manufacturing new cans. The rolled aluminum sheets are now ready for transforming into new cans. The process typically involves printing. The sheets may be printed with labels and logos before forming. Blanking. This step involves cutting the printed sheets into flat pieces, each of which will become a can's body. Deep drawing. The flat pieces are then drawn into the familiar can shape with a series of mechanical or hydraulic presses. Necking and flanging. The open end of the can is necked to reduce the diameter, and the opposite end is flanged to create the can's lip. Coating. The inside of the can is coated to prevent any chemical reactions between the beverage and the aluminum. Filling and distribution. The new aluminum cans are transported to beverage manufacturers, where they are filled with the desired drinks, sealed, and prepared for distribution to retailers. These cans are now ready for consumers to purchase and enjoy. Conclusion. The recycling of used aluminum cans into new ones is a testament to the circular economy in action. It conserves resources, reduces waste, and requires significantly less energy than producing aluminum from raw materials. Understanding the intricate process of recycling aluminum cans into new ones highlights the importance of responsible consumption and recycling, paving the way for a more sustainable and environmentally conscious future. Each time you enjoy a refreshing beverage from a can, you can appreciate the journey it took from collection to manufacturing, all contributing to a cleaner and greener world.